Yeah, we're about to pass the cemetery. I know there's a cemetery right up here.
Yeah, so just be careful on that little stretch.
I will.
Alright.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye. Look at the park. Audio quality on that camera is good for how old it is.
What year?
2015.
Hello.
So I was like 9 years old. You need to take it to concerts and stuff.
I don't have any concerts lined up.
I know, but when you do go. I gave it to you for a reason. Please use it. If Ryan needed it, I was going to ask you, if Ryan needed an extra camera to vlog sometimes, would you be okay with me borrowing it?
I'm okay with sharing this.
Awesome.
Custody arrangement.
Custody arrangement?
I don't use it that often anyway. This is the first time I've used it in a while.
Yeah.
We're driving to Shelbyville to see the ducks.
The fucks.
The bucks. I got them lettuce and grapes. Yeah, dude. We might not make it to Shelbyville.
It's just an engine noise.
I have a fucking wrist strap, dude.
I would prefer a wrist strap than the wrist. Kidding. I don't know kids. Dude, we could have a baby in it. A raccoon.
No.
You know, Ducky, that'd be our baby. Oh.
Steep ass fucking hill.
Woohoo! Oh, seven. And there goes one here.
Okay, so we're at Duck Pond Park, and there's a baby. It's a gosling. There's lots of geese and a few ducks. And the thrift stores kind of sucked. Hi, baby.
Most of them were closed.
Yeah. Hi, baby. You so tiny. Look at them flapping.
Fapping?
Fapping or capping?
Can't have that in the vlog. Look how sweaty
I know.
I am. You need to name your subscribers.
My subscribers?
Yeah.
I don't have any.
Well, yeah, you do. You need to come up with a name for them. Don't break it, damn.
I'm not gonna break it. What the hell do you want? Oh my god. You're so loud. You're so funny.
Yeah, you got something in common.
Yeah.
Hold on, I want to show you something.
Look how pretty he is.
That's gotta go.
Look at him bathing. Her bathing.
Yeah, let me get a good.
You want to get a video of it?
Good shot.
He's so pretty. Oh.
I have my tripod. We should do. So let me forget to take the charger.
Duck pond.
You need to get a picture of that.
I want to get a B-roll of that.
Yeah, I need to get that too. Let me get my phone.
Oh, it's filming? Hi, I guess. Look. It's got a little cutie thing right there. It's duck pond. There's a person. Duck pond. Oh, chickens. There's lots of chickens. Well, not lots. There's like 3 of them. I think they live there. They've got to live there, right? Hi, babies. Oh, it's coming close. Hi, buddy. I think that's a guy. They're all over here. A chicken's coming to you. Chicken.
Hop in there.
Please don't get in the car.
I wouldn't take you with me. It kind of stinks, guys. Sorry.
Oh, that one is so pretty. I wonder if I can zoom in on it. Oh, that's a good zoom. Look at him. They're coming over here. We got more lettuce from the restaurant we went to. They gave us free lettuce. I'm such a good narrator. Look at them. We've got new ducks. There's a jumbo pekin right there. And some mallards. Oh, they're so fucking cute.
I just hope it doesn't like peck the lens and break it,
Yeah.
because that would not be good.
They're so cute.
It's so hard to do this and hold the camera.
I'm so bad at filming. There's some over there. Poking their head around.
Here, I might want to do that. Want to do that actually?
What?
There's a lot of shit, so you gotta be careful.
Look at him! Oh,
Oh, it's moving.
I got him. Oh, they're all crossing the road. It makes me so nervous. Oh. We got the chickens by the car, though.
Dude, they want to leave.
They live with that person, surely. Dude, like the entire park is in the road right now.
Dude, look at this one. It's just staring at itself. Please tell me you're getting it. Look at it. It's like, I'm getting it. You recording it?
Yeah. Dude.
Enthralled. Woo. Just be a random. Clips that just look different.
Mhm. Make them kiss.
I should have brought the GoPro. Yeah.
Getting a shot of the pond.